Hey everyone, welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for the best tech reviews on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with a deep dive into the HyperX Alloy Origins core. The HyperX Alloy Origins core is a standout among mechanical keyboards, especially for those who prefer a quieter typing experience. Featuring a balance of responsiveness and accuracy, this keyboard is perfect for gamers and typists alike. The key switches are custom designed for short travel time and low actuation force, making every keystroke a smooth and satisfying one. One of the standout features of the Alloy Origins core is its full aircraft-grade aluminum body. This sturdy construction not only gives the keyboard a premium feel but also ensures stability during intense gaming sessions. The sleek Tenkeyless design and detachable USB Type-C cable make it easy to use, especially in compact setups. When it comes to customization, the Alloy Origins core doesn't disappoint. With RGB backlit keys and radiant lighting effects, every keystroke can be a visual delight. The HyperX NGENUITY software allows for advanced customization, including game mode, lighting effects, and macro setup. The keyboard features 3 adjustable keyboard tilt angles, ensuring that you can find the perfect wrist position for your comfort. With onboard memory for 3 profiles, you can create custom light shows and take them with you on the go. The game mode, 100% anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover ensure that all your key presses are registered, giving you a competitive edge in gaming. In conclusion, the HyperX Alloy Origins core is a top-tier mechanical keyboard that excels in both performance and aesthetics. With its high-quality construction, customizable lighting effects, and advanced customization options, it's a must-have for anyone looking for the best quiet mechanical keyboard on the market. That's it for today's review of the HyperX Alloy Origins core. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.